Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. This video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the XEM coin. What's the next target of XEM coin? And a lot of people also message me that please make a video what's the next target of XEM coin. So in this video I'm going to show you, so keep watch this video with the end. Before starting this video, if you're new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about XEM coin friends. As you can see here, the live price prediction of the XEM coin after the last one day friends. So first of all, we look the change occur in the XEM. The change occur in the XEM in the last one day is positive 3.47%, and the high price of XEM coin is $0.4583 USD dollar is the high price of XEM coin in the period of last one day friends. That is the last one day price prediction friends. Now if we look the next target of the XEM coin, as you can see here, they go in a straight line. As you can see here, if we zoom it, let's check it out. The next price prediction of the XEM coin, what's going on next target of the XEM coin friends. That is the target of the XEM coin. Oh my god, unfortunately the current period of the XEM coin going very wrong, as you can see here. And this straight line, they goes like a rocket. That is the upward position, as you can see here. I'm trying to do my best. As you can see here, that is a live price prediction. That is the angle in which XEM coin move at this time friends. But unfortunately, as you can see here, at this time they are their breakout or starts now. They break the angle of the XEM coin and they start falling down. As you can see here, at this point they starting falling friends. As you can see here, at this time the falls occurs, they break this angle. As you can see here, they break this angle, and the previous period they continues their her travel in these two lines between. But now currently they break out these lines and they are in the falling mode. That's mean that the angles become a change. So the falling of the XEM coin or goes now at this time friends. So that's mean that the next period of the XEM and the falls mode, the next period of the XEM coin goes like that. As you can see here, from this period, if you look as like a more and so much, now it's a falling period of the XEM coin starts now friends. So please, my suggestion for all of you, that this is a short interval falls. As you can see here, the jumping time of the XEM coin are very for a later time. That is why the falling of the XEM coin are also be a later time. So in this time now, the future, I think maybe they goes down, but a lot of chances to they maybe goes down. For 70% chances today go down, and 30% chances today goes up friends. What's your opinion about XEM coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about XEM coin. Thank you so much for watching this video.